Hi, this is Thomas. Welcome to School Maths, a channel where you can learn high school level mathematics. In this video, we will solve a problem involving a quadratic polynomial. We need to find the zeros of this polynomial and verify its relationship with the coefficients of the polynomial. Okay, how we can find the zeros of this polynomial? It is a quadratic polynomial because the degree of the polynomial is 2. So if the degree of the polynomial is 2, there will be 2 zeros maximum. Okay. So how can we find the 2 zeros of this? So for that you can just split this polynomial into 2 parts. So for that you can use this method. You can either isolate the common thing from each term. So here you can see 4u square can be written as 4u into u plus 8u can be written as 4u into 2. Thus we are getting a common thing in both the terms. So this common thing can be taken out. So 4u can be taken out and then you will get u here, then plus 2. So you have split the quadratic polynomial into 2 parts, 4u multiplied by u plus 2. Now to find the zeros of this polynomial, you can equate each term to 0. So 4u is equal to 0, then u is equal to 0 by 4 which is equal to 0 again. That means one of the zeros of this polynomial is 0. The other 0 can be found by equating this term to 0. Again, you will get u is equal to 0 minus 2 which is equal to minus 2. So we have got both the zeros of this polynomial which are 0 and minus 2. So these are the zeros. Now we need to verify the relationship between these zeros and the coefficients. The relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of the quadratic polynomial is like this: alpha plus beta. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial, you can see that alpha plus beta will be equal to minus b by a and alpha beta is equal to c by a, where a, b and c are the coefficients of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. So here these are the coefficients. Then the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients are like this. Okay. Now you can verify the relationship of the zeros which are found to be 0 and minus 2 of the quadratic polynomial 4u square plus 8u. So here you can see this is a and this is b. And there is no c here, you can put it as 0. So c is 0 here. Okay, now let us verify whether this relationship is true or not. So here alpha plus beta is equal to, you can replace the values of alpha and beta here, 0 plus minus 2 which is equal to minus 2. Now how can we see whether this is equal to minus b by a or not? So for that you can just write this as minus 8 by 4 as well, isn't it? Why I have used this minus 8 by 4? Because our b is 8 and a is 4. Here minus 2 can be written as minus 8 by 4 also, which will be equal to minus of b. Here b is 8. So minus b by a is 4. So a. So here alpha plus beta is found to be minus b by a. Similarly, we can verify alpha into beta is equal to 0 times minus 2 which is equal to 0 again. So how can we verify this, whether it is equal to c by a? So here c is 0 here. Otherwise you can write this 0 by 0 is equal to 0 by 4 which is equal to c by a. So here again we have verified alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Thus we have found the zeros and verified the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of the polynomial. Hope this is understood. CBSE high school students can join my live classes. You can find the link to my classroom in the description below. Thank you very much.